I'm on famous birthdays. And they put like, I'm a famous YouTube star, and I'm like, just call myself the girl who films videos on her phone. I don't see myself as like any kind of like YouTube star or social media star. Missing someone. Missing someone. Hey Lachey babes, it's my Lachey. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys scroll down and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are not new, then welcome back. Make sure you guys check out my social media. It will be on the screen right here, because if you don't have me on my social media, then baby girl, what are you doing with your life? You're doing nothing, obviously. So today I'm here with the Chit Chat. Get ready with me, and this is a hair edition with Cynosure Hair, you guys. All the links in the description box. And we're gonna go ahead and just get into it. This is a 24-inch Brazilian curly wig, and as y'all can see, this hair is big, beautiful, curly, long, thick, and just, you know what I'm saying, luxurious. So let's just go ahead and get into the Chit Chat video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check them out, and let's get into it. I swear I haven't sat down and recorded the video in so long. It kind of feels weird. This is why this is a Chit Chat Get Ready With Me video, just because I need to talk to y'all, because I haven't talked to y'all in a long time. But first of all, we are going to be working on this unit from Cynosure Hair. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I will have it on the screen, you guys. As you guys can see, this hair is so freaking beautiful. I have already bleached the knots on this unit. The unit came pre-plucked, as you guys can see. Curls are so freaking beautiful, you guys. This is a 24-inch. I believe this is a Brazilian curly wig. Have a choice of 150 density and 220 density. Literally has to be 220 density. It's so thick. Like, as you guys can see, the hair is like, it's just like so thick. I'm so excited to apply this unit. This is my second time working with this company, and they have great quality hair. Like, I'm not even. 2 wig caps, and they also sent me some really bomb lashes. When you order from them, guys, they send super bomb lashes, not just like the cheap lashes. These lashes are like some 25mm them boys, period. I'm just so freaking excited, y'all. This hair is so long, like, oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, you guys. I'm so excited because I've been wanting long hair for a while now. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna do 24 inches. I don't know the last time I did 24 inches. Ever since I've been a mom, I kind of really haven't been doing the long lengths. I think I've done like a 22. But just because Leia be grabbing my hair and stuff, y'all. Let's go ahead and talk about how I haven't been posting like that. Like, I'm sorry. A lot of content ideas. I just been like tired, y'all. And y'all know I was telling y'all about like my sciatic nerve pain and stuff. So, I don't know. I just haven't really been feeling like doing nothing. I know it might sound lazy. Like, I have been doing stuff. I have. But like, I got my lash certificate, so I've been doing lashes. But I don't know. I know y'all be saying I can still vlog when we're not really doing nothing. If you haven't seen my last vlog, go ahead and watch it, because that's a good video. Or maybe a little bit, I guess. I am back, and I'm trying to be back for good. I was posting like every day, and then just stuff started happening, girl. So my goal for this year is to post pretty much every day. Fell off, and I'm not trying to really fall off no more like that, because I do have goals to reach, you know, things that I believe God has for me, and I want to work to earn those. Alright, so I got the lace cut off. Like I said, this is a pre-plucked unit, so I shouldn't have to pluck it at all. It has a comb right here, a comb on each side. Where's it at? A comb on each side, and then it has a comb down here on the bottom. I typically only use the one on the bottom. It also has a drawstring, so I'm gonna tighten that up a little bit. Cool. I haven't installed a wig on camera in a very long time. I always do them in the mirror, so hopefully I can get a good install, because lately, I'm gonna cut this side some, because honey, no. Lately, I've been getting really good installs, but I think it's because I've been doing them off camera. Okay, I got it off. I'm just run my fingers through it to try to get any shed hair that might occur just from me cutting off that piece of lace. I put in my got to be glued, which is almost gone. You know, there we go. We got some. One layer on my hairline, you guys, and you guys know how this goes. Y'all know how I apply my wigs, okay? But yeah, y'all, did y'all hear about what the baby did when he hit that girl? Ooh, I was like, he gonna be in trouble. But y'all know that's my baby though. The baby is my baby, and I was just like, I'm kind of disappointed in you, Jonathan. Jonathan, you ain't have to hit the little girl. You ain't have to hit her. I don't know how old she was, but you ain't have to hit the young lady. This is a first little thin layer, you guys. It doesn't have to be thick because I'm gonna do another one just to make sure the wig is gonna be secure, period, because this is a lot of weight. This is a long wig. This is a thick wig, so you know we want it to stay on for days at a time. The sound of the blow dryer is just like so relaxing. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of my I got hair stuck all on me. A little bit more of my got to be glued gel and just put another thin layer. This one is gonna be even thinner than the first one just because I don't want a bunch of glue. But how have y'all been, you guys? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Y'all really should follow me on Instagram because I try to interact with almost everybody on there that like comments on my pictures or in my DMs. I will say I don't respond to every single DM, but I do respond to a lot. I even do follow some of you guys back on Instagram. So just let me know, like, if you get in my DM and you are like just mad cool or whatever, I will follow you back. Like, especially if you're pretty, I just be like, oh, I want to see her on my timeline. Go ahead and pull my wig forward because we're gonna start applying this baby and getting it laid. But I wanted to tell y'all, why did I find out that I'm on famous birthdays? Like, and I'm like, I'm on famous birthdays, like I'm not famous. And they put like I'm a famous YouTube star, and I'm like, I'm not even at 100K yet. Like, but it just warmed my heart and it made me feel so special because, like, if you know me in person, you know I just love doing YouTube. I'm really humble, and I literally just call myself the girl who films videos on her phone. Like, I'm the girl who films videos on her phone. I don't see myself as like any kind of like YouTube star or social media star or anything. This is just something that I love doing. Of course, I wanted to lead to that one day, you know. I do have a lot of followers and I love you guys, but I don't see myself as like, you know, someone who would be on famous birthdays. So like when someone told me, I was just like, what? They looked me up and it was like Maya Lachey, famous YouTube creator. And I was like, oh, like y'all lying. So yeah, I'm on famous birthdays and I just couldn't believe it. And then I end up like looking up myself and it said like my net worth, y'all, that net worth is a lie before God. Like some of them say I'm worth $20,000, some of them say I'm worth $108 million, and I'm just like, where? Because if that's me, I need it. I need that, okay? Yeah, this is a pretty easy install, you guys. And I cut this side a little bit too short, but it's okay. You can't really tell. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it on cool air. I'm going to take my Got to Be Glue freeze spray, and I'm going to spray this all around my hairline a little bit and blow dry just to make sure that the wig stays secure. Going to go ahead and tie my hair down with this little scarf, and I'm gonna make myself like a little necktie because I don't want see, that's exactly what I don't want. I don't want the hair to be like tangled while I'm trying to comb it. Spray my hair with a little bit of water, even though it's already wet. Just want to saturate it so I can comb through it really well. This is a Brazilian curly hair, and it's just like so freaking beautiful, you guys. I cannot. It has no product in it yet. I don't even think I'm gonna put any product in it. This is what it's gonna look like when it dries, because this top of this is like almost dry, and that's not bad. Like, it's really cute. I really like the way the curls look. Didn't cut that baby hair or anything. That baby hair came on this wig. So this is a finished look on this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check them out in the description box down below. I'm just loving how big and curly and pretty this hair is, so I just love it so much. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Honey, this hair got me smiling. I'm really smiling. I love, oh my god, it's just so long and I love it. But yeah, I will see you guys later.